guys, welcome back to my channel. It is SummSumm, and today I have an in-depth tutorial using the FOXYBAE curling wand that they sent me. This video is sponsored by FOXYBAE, so go ahead and follow them on Instagram and Twitter at FOXYBAE Hair. All of the links to everything will be in the description box below, so you can get your hands on that. I do have a code with them. It is foxysummer. Use that at checkout for money off, so you don't have to pay that full price. You get to save some money on your wands. These are my favorite wands and straighteners and everything I've ever used before, so I'm being honest. I only review products I love. I only do that because why would I give you something that's bad? Because I don't want you to spend no money that you hard-earned worked for, or your sugar daddy sent to you or something, and you're using on a bad product. FOXYBAE is legit. I love FOXYBAE. I wish they had a t-shirt that says that, because I would definitely buy like 2 or 3, a long sleeve and like a crop top and like a short sleeve and maybe an extra large to sleep in, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, if you want to learn how to get these flirty bouncy curls, I got the highlight in some position, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you an in-depth tutorial on how to use the FOXYBAE 25mm rose gold curling wand. It's literally amazing. I've used it so many times, but I get a lot of questions, and I want to review it for you guys like more in depth than I did in my past tutorial. This is a straight tutorial using FOXYBAE Hair's curling wand 25mm. So first things first, it comes in that box that I did show you in the past video. If you didn't see the previous video, then there's a link down in the description box below para ti. It comes with a heat resistant glove so you won't burn your hands, and a great velvet FOXYBAE traveling case so you don't have to keep that big box. I have my box still because it's so cute. But yeah, so this whole company's colors are like coral and blacks and the rose gold, so it's so cute and so precious. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I wand my hair using the FOXYBAE curling wand. Do not forget that you can get money off your entire order for all their products with the code FOXYSummer, and do not forget to follow FOXYBAE Hair on Instagram, Twitter, and I believe they do have a Snapchat. So let's go get started. And like I said, I'm using the 25mm curling wand, the rose gold one, and this is how I do it. So when you first plug it in, even though it's plugged in, it still says off, so I guess you can know if you're like leaving it sitting on the countertop. It's so awesome. Everything about this wand is so sleek. It's literally amazing. Yeah, so I'm gonna set my temperature. Wait, to hold it to turn it on. I'm gonna set my temperature to 410, and then as it does that, it will climb and do a scale escalating count up for you, so you can know when it's ready. And I don't know if it beeps or not, I don't remember, but it heats up really quickly, and it's already ouch. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna be using this heat protector spray. It's called the Fantasia Hair Polisher, 50% more free heat protector straightening spray. I'm gonna go ahead and take that and put it on my hair over the pieces that I do. I'm gonna section my hair after combing it out and getting all the tangles out. I'm gonna section my hair like this. I'm just gonna keep repeating the same steps over until I got the bottom row of my hair done. 2 noodles! Those are my curls so far. Then I'm gonna take out more sections of my hair. Looks ratchet right now, but keep holding it until like you don't see any more steam or smoke or whatever, and it's cooling off, and it's gonna hold that curl, believe me. Like, hello! The reason I love these wands so much is because I can get these curls done super quick. Like if I was rushing, like actually like in the morning, I could get these curls done super quickly because it does get so hot and it's just a great wand. I know a lot of wands don't hold the curl the way you might want, but these ones do, and they're so amazing. So I really love the FOXYBAE wands, and they're super light, so like my arm isn't like dying trying to hold this. I have my head done, and then I have this left, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I finished curling my hair. You can, I didn't go through it or anything, I just curled it and left it how it is. If you want, you can leave the curls super tight like this. I like taking my comb and going through the curls and just loosening them so they can be bouncy and just so pretty. I freaking love these curling ones. Like, okay, so this is the difference between it combed out on this side, and then these are the tight curls. So you can, you know, decide if you want them tight like this, they can fall naturally, or you can have them like beach waves and have this cute pattern going on. Just, oh, look at it, it's so freaking pretty. Like, I feel super gorgeous right now. And I have this headband that I'm gonna put on because I wanna like hold down my edges and everything. Put my jewelry on. And that's literally all I do for my hair when I'm using my FOXYBAE 25mm rose gold curling wand. I love this curling wand. I love FOXYBAE. Every dollar spent on this is a dollar spent well, honey. Okay. Like I said, the curling wand itself, a cute or easy, thankful for this heat resistant glove, a carrying case, inbox, and instructions comes all in that for you. Like I said, don't forget to take money off, foxysummer. And I'm so glad you guys watched this tutorial. If you have any comments or questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I have my email down in the downtown section of my video. You can comment or you can DM me on any of my social media since they are down there for you. So thankful for FOXYBAE for sending me these wands. They're so amazing, and they put me into a whole nother world of hair that I was not sure about. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to get your hands on one of these FOXYBAE curly wands. The link will be in the description box below. Don't forget to follow FOXYBAE here on Twitter and Instagram to keep up with the updates and all their new releases. And that's all I have for you today. You guys have a great one. Love you.